Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To check if a DLL, Dynamic Link Library, is corrupted, use System File Checker, SFC. First, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type SFC as scan now and press Enter. This tool scans all protected system files and replaces incorrect versions with correct Microsoft versions. If corruption is found, SFC will attempt to fix the issues. For a deeper check, use DISM, Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type DISM, Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health, and press Enter. This process can detect and repair more profound system errors.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.